Hi, I'm Jim Dodson, the Florida Bike Guide. So, what do you look for in a bicycle accident lawyer? You know, a lot of lawyers advertise that they handle bicycle cases, but ask them how many of them are actually cyclists who ride the same roads you do and have the experience of representing many, many cyclists over many years as the primary part of their practice. And you'll be shocked at what you find. There is a difference between handling a car accident case and handling a bicycle injury case. A unique set of rules apply, a unique set of dangers and things that drivers do to cause injury to cyclists that don't occur in a typical motor vehicle accident. I can tell you that in my situation, I've been an active cyclist for many, many years. I ride several times a week. I ride the same roads as my clients ride. I understand the issues that are occurring in a bicycle injury case. My principal part of our practice is representing cyclists, and frankly, we represent cyclists across Florida. And we have seen so many cycling cases, and so many times when an adjuster has wanted to try to defend their driver by taking a position that we can clearly refute, simply on my experience as a cyclist, that it could not have happened that way. It should not have happened that way. And I have, in many cases, actually been able to change the mind of an adjuster simply because of the personal knowledge we have on how cycling works and what it means to be on a bike when a car hits someone or approaches someone and causes injury to them. So there's a big difference between someone who advertises that they do cycling cases and someone who actually is a cycling lawyer. And I can tell you that in talking to countless cyclists across Florida for many years, I think the number one thing they tell me is, man, I am so happy to have someone who is a cyclist who understands exactly how this happened, understands exactly my situation, why I ride, and what it has cost me to lose my bike, to lose the ability to ride, and to have the injuries that I'm dealing with that are keeping me off the bike even temporarily. And I think that's what you really need to look for when you start talking about a cycling injury lawyer. Get somebody who really does it, who knows it, and will have your back. I'm Jim Dodson, the Florida Bike Guide.